Hello guys, Xiaomi is all set to go unveil the Xiaomi 12 Ultra. The Xiaomi co-founder has revealed several details about Xiaomi 12 Ultra, one of three smartphones in the upcoming Xiaomi 12 series. Xiaomi's co-founder revealed the launch date of Xiaomi 12 Ultra, which will launch on July 4th. Also, the photo shows that the invite cut contains the tagline, "The defining moment, the new era," is phrases that the Xiaomi used when it announced its collaboration with Leica. Additionally, also shared a marketing teaser of the Xiaomi series. The leaked image of the 12S, we believe the smartphone with white colored back panel is the 12S, while the one in the center might be 12S Pro and the smartphone on the left might be the 12S Ultra. It has a golden metal frame with a green color leather back panel. Moreover, Xiaomi also confirmed its partnership with Leica for the cameras on the 12S series and gives us a glimpse of the three smartphones. The series will have a Leica printed on its camera housing, which houses three rear-facing sensors in the case of Xiaomi 12S Pro. Unfortunately, Xiaomi's Pro smartphone still lacks a periscope zoom camera, which is expected to be appear in Xiaomi 12S Ultra instead. Here you see the teaser. The Xiaomi Ultra contains a huge rectangular camera shaped with a circular model on top. Xiaomi hasn't detailed the specification sheet of the 12 series smartphone yet, but maybe Xiaomi 12 Ultra comes with Sony IMX 800, which is also comes recently on its 70 series, or they might use Sony IMX 989 custom sensor. In some rendered showed up with dual periscope lens and wider angle lens. Moving on, the display is going to be the similar from the last year's Mi 11 Ultra with the best quality display. On the performing side, the brand hasn't yet teased the key feature, but likely the Xiaomi 12 Ultra will powered by top-notch Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 with possibly 5000 mAh battery backup. Xiaomi 12 SL tries China exclusively as for now, but Xiaomi 12S and 12S Pro may go globally in August or in September. There are many more details in upcoming days, so stay connected. Follow my Twitter account. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Peace out.